Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You're logged into Chance Simulator with the latest update and at least 1,000 shards or equivalent currency available. Once done, enable any RNG boosts or multipliers to increase your odds. These shift probabilities without changing core mechanics. Now open the Chance menu and select the Azure Coin pool specifically, because pools are isolated. Choosing the wrong pool wastes attempts. Follow the on-screen prompt to commit the required entry fee and initiate the first roll. You proceed by executing controlled rolls. Start batches of attempts sized to your risk tolerance and make sure to use streak-saving features or scheduled soft resets only when guarantees reset. While rolling, monitor the probability meters and adjust active boosts in real time. This optimizes marginal chance, increases that matter over many trials. Also keep a concise log of attempts and results so you can spot pattern shifts or bugs. You finish by claiming the Azure Coin as soon as it appears and verifying it in your inventory to avoid lost rewards. Delays can trigger sync issues. If the coin does not drop after a confirmed successful roll, make sure the client sync to the server and check for any pending transactions or delayed rewards. If problems persist, clear cache and relog, then retry one small roll. If still unresolved, gather logs and contact support with timestamps and your attempt log.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.